Namaste. Miss Laura, pen, and
The Matty Daddy's here for today.
for a mindful minute. Today we're going to do a breath break called Flying Bird. Just like a birdie flying in the sky. And we're going to say the affirmation, I am free. So let's sit up nice and tall. Breath break, time for a breath break, breath break, time for a break. Bird breath. Inhale, lift your wings high to the sky. Hold your breath. Exhale, wings down. Inhale up. Exhale, I am free. Ready? Inhale. Exhale, I am free. Now we can go faster. Hold your breath on the top. Bird breath. It can also be done standing up if you like. Thank you for joining us. Namaste.
Bye, everyone.